So please, like I want to say, how you doing? This is Mari Cruz, bridging the gap between the rich and the poor, coming from the great state of Texas. That I am not a financial advisor. Please understand that crypto trading is a highly speculative in nature, which can mean crypto prices may become extremely volatile, like we had in the last couple of days. Um, you may sustain a total loss of your funds. Crypto trading carries a high level of risk and may be suitable for all investors. Always consult a financial professional, advisor, planner before making any investment decisions. It is possible that you will sustain a loss of some or all of your initial investment. So never raise capital that you cannot afford to lose. Here is the disclaimer, and thank you. And so how you doing? This is Mari Cruz, bringing the gap between the rich and the poor, coming from the great state of Texas. Like always, Texas. And I want to talk to you about how the crash has made me cash, because a lot of people in crypto world in the last 4 days have been sustaining huge losses. But I'm not going to talk only about me. I'm also going to talk about other people that have been in the how you say in the class that I took, the plan. If we have a webinar soon at 2 p.m. today, Central Time, 3 p.m. Eastern Time, basically in 39 minutes. Yeah, it will be the last webinar of Dan Hollings for this month. And the class closes on September 28th. So this is a time sensitive in nature. So I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to start showing you several bots of different people. And I'm just going to share my whole screen. So I'm going to start with this one. So I got 4 bots that I'm going to show you. This is not my bots. Let me just leave my bot over there because I'm the newest one. The other people, the bots that I'm showing, were in the beta 1 class. I'm in beta 2. I'm the second class that just finished maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago. So I'm starting with one of my friend's bots. Her name is Regina, and these are her bots. This is her portfolio: Cyrus, Ray, Algo, Sol, Air, Orn, Myth, and Alice. And as you can see, she has Qcoin and Binance. Some of her bots have gone negative 28%, negative 5.58%, negative 15.15%, and negative 3.84%. But as you have seen, you can see that she's been running these these bots for 24 days, 17 days, 8 days, and she's made 2,539, a 9.55% interest rate on her investment. Okay, so even though Cyrus USDT basically crashed 28% and is out of range, basically it went so low, as you can see, that is out of the grids, which means it's out of range. So when we get out of range, we don't lose or make money. But look at this. She's made $77 in 7 days. With the other bot, Ray BUSD, which is the coin of Binance, she's made $70 in 8 days. With the Algo, she's made $216 in 8 days. With the Sol, she's made $193 in 8 days. With Airbnb, sorry, Airbnb, or it's Airbnb, but it sounds like Airbnb in the hotel. Sorry, guys. She's actually had this bot 17 days, and she's made $623 at 12%, even though the market crashed 15%. You understand that? And then she has an Orn coin pair that she's been running for 17 days. She's actually made $674 in 17 days, 26%, close to 14. And then we got the Myth USDT coin pair. She's done $422 in 17 days, even though the MIP has gone 3.65. And the last bond that she has done $262, 24 days. And all these bonds added have made her 2,541, 9.56 interest rate ROI in 24 days. But remember, all these bonds are not 24 days. So if we actually maybe approximate the time that she made this, let's say that she made it in 17 days. 2,542 in 17 days. Okay? But the main thing that I want you to see is that the several of her bonds have crashed. Basically, several of the market, not the bonds, the market has crashed and she still made money. Okay? Number two, this is my other friend's box. This is Jody's box. She also was beta 1, which is the first class of the plan. And as you can see, she's actually been running this box for 24 days and 16 and 14 days. And in this actually time, in 24 days, she's made 2,852, a 24% ROI. You understand that? I don't know why I can see the change on her. Give me a second. Let me just refresh this again. See if I can see the change. I guess it's not letting me see the changes. Okay. But the point is that in the last 4 days, things have gone down. She's made $379 with R at 14 days. She's made $180 in 16 days. She's made $728 in 24 days and made $1,586 in 24 days. That's 2,875 in 24 days. If we divide this by 24, Alexa, 2,875 divided by 24. She's been making $119 every day. Let me go back to the first one. Alexa, 2,543 divided by 24 days. Alexa, 2,543 divided by 24 days. Alexa, 2,543 divided by 24 days. Alexa, 2,543 divided by 24. So Regina's bots have been making $105 every day. Now we're going to my friend's mom, who started 24 and 22 days ago. She only has 2 bots, SQRL and Sol BTC. I don't even know what this changes that. But the point is that she's made in 24 and 22 days, 1,857, a 30% ROI of your investment. Alexa, 1,857 divided by 24. She's been making 77.35 every day for the last 24 days. And I'm beta 3. I'm the youngest of the newest person in about almost 4 people that have started bot trading. I started bot trading in the beta class 2. These are my bots. You can see, actually yesterday, all of them were red. You can see that Luna is 4.90 in the green, 0.67 in the green. XRP is negative 0.40 in the green, in the red, sorry. 0.85 in the red, ADA, 0.66 BTC, negative 12.79 in the red, and 9.38. My oldest bot is out of range, meaning that it's under the grids. The first bot that I did, it has made me $136. This is a HODL bot, guys. A HODL bot is an investment that you hold for a year, and it has made me $136 in 29 days. So if this bot makes me $136 every 30 days, Alexa, 136 multiplied by 12. Alexa, 136 multiplied by 12. So if it keeps doing this, I will get $1,643 in a year just with a HODL bot. That is not supposed to, usually manual traders don't make money with a HODL because they have to hold that money for a year. But I made $136. With ICP USDT, I made 196 in 16 days, even though it crashed yesterday and the last 4 days, negative 12. I think it was negative 20 yesterday. 196 in 16 days. The other one, $40 in 11 days. The other one, 34 in 10 days. The other one, 24 in 10 days. The other one, 157 in 10 days. And the other one, 152 in 10 days. And all these things added is 642 and a 3.54% in my ROI. So, what am I trying to say to you? Is that if you have a banking account and you're not making any money with your investment because savings accounts don't pay you anything, then it's like putting your money in a hole, basically. Now, I told you that I'm not a financial advisor, and I'm talking about my experience with the plan, my experience with bot trading, and my friends' experiences with their bots. So basically, if you want to find out more about how I learned this, because 2 months ago I didn't know anything about trading at all. I never done bot trading. I never done manual trading. I basically was completely a blank slate in the crypto world. All I was doing was buying and hodling money for the last year, because Dan will be sharing the fastest and easiest way for anyone to profit with cryptocurrency today at 2 p.m. Central. That's 30 something minutes from now. And I know a lot of you might have seen a version of this training if you were paying attention last week. However, this is going to be updated with fresh stats and will reflect current events in the crypto world. And you're going to find them very enlightening, entertaining, and interesting. You know why? Because lately in this last 4 days, the market has crashed a lot. And a lot of people have been selling their crypto coins. Okay? So straight up, I've never been this excited about something. Honestly, I'm feeling a little bit let down because I wish I got it involved sooner. But it's not too late for you. Listen, this webinar is today in 20 something minutes. We are September 23rd, 2021. You can go and sign up at cryptobotplan.com, as you can see in the bottom of my screen, cryptobotplan.com. Listen, anybody can make money when the market is good. Anybody can make money when the market is in the when it's a bull market. But not everybody can make money when the market is down. That's when a lot of people lose their money. And a lot of people are hurting right now. If you can lower your risk and raise your profitability, you can lower your risk to reward ratio and actually learn from one of the top crypto experts in the world. Okay? Wouldn't you do it? So don't forget to save your spot, because we're about to witness a revolution. And I hope I see you in that class today in 26 minutes. And that's why I came. I wanted to show you how everything is doing, even though the market has been doing really, really bad. Alexa, how much is Bitcoin today? Alexa, price of Bitcoin. So right now it went 44,000, but 3 days ago, it went really, really low and everybody was freaking out. Still, people are freaking out. Let me go back here. So let me tell you a little bit about bot trading, because a lot of people don't even know what is bot trading. Most people don't do trading. They either do manual trading, which is the manual, you do it yourself. And then there's hodling, which you hold your money for a year. With hodling, you don't make any money until you sell your coins. So that's a problem, because most people want to make money now, not in a year. With manual trading, the problem is you buy a coin down here, you sell it up here, but if the market crashes and you don't sell your money, your coin, you lose your money. But why is bot trading? What is an API and what is a trading bot? Because that's exactly what we have learned with the class, the plan. So bot trading is using a software to automate tradings. Bots talk to an exchange via an API and can place buy and sell orders for you. It is done in both cryptocurrency trading and other types of trading. It is fully legal and welcome on most cryptocurrency exchanges. However, only specific brokers outside of cryptocurrency allow it. Of course, I use Bitstamp, and Bitstamp can be connected to, I think, more than 50 exchanges, and I use Qcoin and Kraken as my exchanges par excellence. What is an API? An API is an application programming interface. It's an interface for an application that allows you to send and receive specific types of data. For example, it can be a way for your bot to interface with the exchange of your preference, to place buy and sell orders, and to collect price and bank balance data. A trading bot is a program that can execute trades for you on an online exchange based on parameters defined by the programmer or user. For example, a program that will buy when the RSI is a cryptocurrency is low and sell when the RSI is high. But we do grid bot trading. We decide how high, the teachers this in the class, how high your bot is going to go, how low, a high price, a low price, the grid steps, and all that stuff. And so your trading bot in the API is the bridge between your program and the app, because your money is always in the exchange. The app receives commands via the API from your program and outputs data to be sent to the API to your program. So how do trading bots work with cryptocurrency exchanges? Because most cryptocurrency exchanges allow you to utilize an API to interact with the exchange. This means they have an interface that lets you both pull data from the exchange and make specific changes to your account using your program. Specifically, automated programs that make trades on an exchange using an exchange API are called trading bots. And using a trading bot plus an API allows you to execute trades automatically. You can buy or create a program that executes a specific trading strategy that or someone else has defined. Are bots profitable? Well, I show you that they are. But the problem is that if you go and just sign to Bitstamp and start doing bot trading without knowing anything about it, you're going to lose money. And that's why I'm inviting you to the webinar today at 2 p.m. Central, given by Dan Hollings, called The Plan. And what he's going to show you every student account and how much money they're making with their bots. Now, trading bots are profitable if you know what you're doing and you have a guide and a strategy to do it. The bots are inherently profitable unless you know what you're going to do. One, the accuracy of the software is something malicious and can be bad. That's why you have to choose a good bot, and that's why I like this guy. The quality of your strategy, you need to tell the bot what strategy to follow. Thus, your bot is only as good as your program strategy and its execution. And that's why taking this class will help you be a successful trader. Market factors. If a market crashes or spikes, or if you're trading in a thin market, bad trades can be even if the bot and exchange are working as intended. How you adjust your bot to different market conditions. A strategy can make money in one market type but lose money quickly in another. This is the reason why I took this class, because the class has all these things. And actually, let me tell you, I'm going to tell you how much is the class and everything. I don't want to let anything, how you say, let anything, not over. Second, I'm trying to find something here. So, okay, let me go here. Sorry, guys. Just trying to find something here that I should have had before I came here to talk to you. But okay. So what does the plan include? The plan class is actually worth $2,500. We got 5 days for you to join. Here's what you get with the class: 5 educational sessions. Well, it's mostly 7 educational sessions, initially done live by Zoom, so you can attend and ask questions. And then the recordings are placed into your membership area. Actually, let me show my screen here so you can see it. So, yeah. So if you notice, I want to show you because this is going to be done in 5 days. It's going to close, completely closed, and that's it. If you don't come between the 5 days from now, which is September 28th, 11:59 Pacific Standard Time, you cannot get the $2,500. The class is $2,500, and you need $3,000 for a bot. Okay. So this is what you get: 5 to 7 educational sessions, initially done live on Zoom, and then the recordings are placed into your membership area. You get digital memberships access. All the live training recordings and other resources will be in a membership site that you get access to when signing up for the plan. You get a step-by-step training from how to buy cryptocurrencies to how to set up crypto bots, standard bots, auto bots, and the main crypto strategies to follow. And those main crypto strategies are 10 strategies that will lower your risk to reward ratio. Hodling, stable coins, and a whole heap more. You get office hours with Dan's team of experts. We'll make certain times available for you to join where you can ask questions live about different parts of the plan. And you get the final course access for free. Why? Because this is a beta course. This is the last beta 3. The 3 bots that I showed you from my friends are beta 1. I am beta 2, and you will be beta 3. That means that the people that are going to buy this course in the next time that the course opens are going to pay more than $2,500 for the class. You get that update for free. So when we're out of beta and launch the official, most polished version of the plan, you get free access to that as well. This is how it looks. And here are the prices of you can do a 3 installment of $1,000, or you can do a $2,500 one-time payment. You can use PayPal, by the way, with the installments or the one-time fee. And if you want more questions, there's a lot of questions here. One thing that I want to tell you about the class is that, so you can see I say, take countdown. This is 5 days. That means 5 days is closed. So one thing I wanted to tell you is that anybody that joins the plan class has a very big bonus. And that big bonus is this: you will get, after you finish your 7 classes, you will get 2 months of coin pairs for free, meaning that you will get one coin pairs are going to make you the most money when you start that coin pair, date and time. All you do is copy and paste, so you can start your bots to make you more profit by using these coin pairs. Okay, that's one. Two, we always start with demo mode, meaning that we have bots that are using fake money, but they act kind of like the real bots, the light bots with real money. Not always, it might vary, but the coin pairs of how you set it, how do you choose your exchange, and you commit your IPA. All that other stuff is, if you know how to set a demo bot, you know how to set a live bot. All this is taught in the class. Now, I've been here for 26 minutes. I'm going to show again my friend spots and my bots, and I got to go because this webinar is about to start in 14 minutes. Like I said, this making money, anybody can make money when there's a bull market. Anybody can make money when the market is high, but not everybody can do money when the market is crashing. And that's what we have proved to you with my friend spots in my bot. That is the difference between these. Plus, Dan, which is behind me, the picture, is the top crypto expert in the world. So let me share this again and show you for the last time. Because this is amazing. This is the easiest money that I ever made in my life. I'm just going to show you. So again, I'm going to refresh every box. This is my friend box. So I'm just refreshing here that even though 1, 2, and 3, and 4 other bonds have gone in negative, negative 27% is a lot. And 2 of them, 3 of them are in range. She's made 2,546 in 24 days and 9.58 return on her investment. Let's refresh this. Always tell people to refresh the page. My other friend, Jody, has made 2,875 in 24 days, a 25% return investment on her investment. Jody's mom, there you go. Jody's mom has made 1,902 in 24 days, a 31%, 61 in her investment. And my box is the last one. And Mari, which is me, has made 741 in 16 days because this bot was alone and everything else was, and if you notice, it's outreach. And a lot of mine are also negative. So if you want to learn how to make money when the market crashes, if you want to learn how to make money in the passive and make passive income, make money as you sleep, not have to worry about what happens with the market, because really, I didn't care that the market crashed. Why? Because I'm still making money. Everybody's making money as I show you. And again, I'm going to make this analogy. You're a toll, okay? And cars are passing to you. You're in the toll booth. You collect money and you keep that money. And that money is sent to your exchange. You are the toll, the person, you're the toll. And the bots are the cars. And this money, all of this money that I show you, is already in every person's exchange because your money is always on your exchange. The $741 is in my exchange. The $1,900 is in her exchange. The $2,875 is in her exchange. And the $2,546 is in her exchange. By the way, these are all female bottles. And Jody Simone, I think, is older. So she is, I don't know, Jody's my age, so her mom should be at least 20 something years older than her. So she should be late 60s. A late 60-year-old person, let me go back here, person that is older made this. Let me refresh it again. Made $1,901 in 24 days. In 24 days. So Jody's mom, that is in the late 60s, made this money, a 31% investment ROI in 24 days. Everybody else that I show you is in their 40s. I think Regina, Jody, and me are 40s, late 40s. And the mom is in her 60s. So it doesn't matter if you have any background in crypto, because the way we do things here is different. This is a different paradigm. So if you want to learn this, go and sign up to cryptobotline.com. The webinar is about to start in 9 minutes. So I hope this helps you. Go and check it out. And this is Marie Cruz, bringing the gap between the rich and the poor, coming from the great state of Texas. So check it out. See you guys later.